Earthquake. These times we live are strange. We always search for a change. We are like the screws in a flange. Our lives are always earthquake. No honey, sugar, milk, and cake. No heart, our feelings are fake. Earthquake are all our values. Earthquake are things we use. Earthquake are friends we lose. No time we have for a deep love. No see the stars that shine above. Lapse the brightness of the moon. Our love we never understood. Lapse the warmth of the spring sun. Our love is like a rusty and old gun. Lapse the voices of children. Once we heard in our garden. Lapse the hot love we liked make. Once in bedroom like an earthquake. Days are the same every week. Our loves go strange and weak. No more stars in our feelings. No more colors of beginnings. Winter covered by white snow. Freeze our minimum love flow. Earthquake, everything we know. Is a thin touch now and slow. Hope for good times and bless. Hope for honey, milk, wisness. Hope for good life here on earth. Present is another sad tale. Present was sold by retail. What we need, so many things. Love and happiness don't bring. What we need, so many people who say they care about the good of our lives we never understood. Delve in our minds like a nipple, in our souls like an earthquake, with promises they never make, words meaning nothing and fake. Look at the young we live among, who will prepare them a future, healthy and safety, a nation strong, a clean country as Mother Nature, to live a straight life, no emotions, and not to be stolen by their creations, to be paid well for what they learn. Not only words, nobody concerned. To build the future on solid ground, with no terror and bumps around. To build the future they won't make, with no fear and with no earthquake.